Shin-Min Industries company is making a non-consumptive part, an automatic centrifugal filtration machine, which is quite different from conventional filtration methods. The gravity precipitation method takes a long time to separate liquids and particles, so it lacks efficiency. Particles will be clogged on the bag surface, and frequent bag changes will cost time and money. Paper filters are wasteful and not environmentally friendly. However, centrifugal filters work on all types of liquids and particles. Sewage is pumped into the centrifugal drum. Then, the drum rotation generates centrifugal force, which will separate particles and liquids. High speed and a stable rotation drum generates great centrifugal force, with which the particles will stay on the drum surface and the liquid flows out. The strong scraper will need no consumption parts, so it reduces operation cost. The machine's structure is strong, and troubleshooting is easy. The machine can recover the majority of coolant and liquids. For expensive coolants, this machine will save customers big money. The scraper easily removes particles from the drum surface. Any particle which is in a heavier specific weight than the liquid will work on this machine. Particles of aluminum, iron, tungsten steel, silicon, glass, and quartz are all suitable for removal in the centrifugal filter machine. The machine will scrape off particles from the drum surface automatically by a set schedule. It's the best tool for particle cleaning.